Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So today is FOMC day for the US interest rate news coming out today, and it is definitely going to cause some volatility even on the yen pairs because the yen is a risk on, risk off currency. So if you want to participate in my YouTube live stream for the interest rate news, then definitely make sure you stop in for that. We're going to reevaluate all the dollar pairs prior to the news and probably even check out the yen pairs. So anyways, definitely looks like the end of a wave 3 on the monthly time frame. There's no doubt about it that I think. If we are in a wave 4, not only would I expect that wave 4 to probably last at least 6 to 8 months, but I would also definitely expect it to go down to at least a 38% minimum. I would expect this to last probably, like I said, until at least 2025, and I would also expect to see something like that. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, nice big impulsive move to the downside, which I really don't even think is over. I think it's more likely to stretch out like this, making a wave A, then probably stretching out in a big crescent for a wave B, then going down for a wave C to either the 38 or the 50% Fibonacci retracement. I do definitely believe that this is going to last at least until spring 2025 before we actually do get the end of a crescent and continuation of the uptrend. So, keeping all this in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely lower lows, lower highs, as you can see. It is a big move to the downside, but really there's no proof at all that it's over. I think there's a pretty good chance it will end someplace around here by the looks of it. And if it does end someplace around there, I'm probably going to end up looking something like this for a wave A, just like I was showing and explaining on the weekly time frame. So taking all that into mind and going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can actually start to see the structure of this move down. The last structure level for me is way up here, and I really doubt that it's even going to break that structure anytime soon. I would definitely expect it to probably just keep on trending down, making lower lows, lower highs, telling me that I am definitely looking for shorts at the end of every single pullback I see on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, anybody that's been watching my videos and following along has probably been seeing some great profits. I know I've definitely been seeing some very good profits over the last few weeks for sure, and I definitely will continue to look for sorting opportunities every single chance I get. If you get that idea out of your head that you need to try to counter trend trade or you need to find the top and the bottom of a move, then you are going to be doing so much better with your trading. I'm not worried about finding the top and the bottom. I'm just worried about getting in on every single pullback I see for the continuation of this downtrend, which I think is extremely clearly a wave A of wave 4 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.